How to link to section on page in Elementor. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to the section which you want to jump to on the click of a link or a button, and then you're gonna have to simply open its edit section toolbox, and then simply go to the advanced tab of the edit section, and then simply add the CSS ID. So you're gonna have to add here anything you want. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply drag and drop an Elementor button. And then you're gonna have to go to the edit button toolbox. So simply right click on the button and click on the edit button option. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply link the button to the section. So go to the content tab of the edit button and write the section CSS ID which you want to jump to in the link box here, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.